We are going to install Adobe Reader. Step 1. Open a web browser.
Then, search for Adobe Reader download in the search bar. Next, select Adobe Acrobat Reader download link. After that, click on Download Acrobat Reader button. Dialog box will appear. This is a location where to save your downloaded file. Double-click the file to run it. In this process, you need to wait a little longer. But in this video, I already speed it up for you guys. A dialog box from Chrome will appear. I am going to select Enable Extension to Chrome. You can remove it later if you don't want Adobe Reader extended to Chrome. If are a newbie, you can start a tour. Or else, you can just skip it. It only take a few seconds to discover it. Let us check whether our Adobe Reader has functioned well. I am going to search for a PDF file. I don't have any in my PC, so let's just search for it. As I enable the extension just now, I can directly open the file. Then download it. In the download folder, right-click the file. Open it with Adobe Reader. Wait until it completely downloads. Congratulations! You can now open and read a PDF file.